HomeBank Financial Tool. Full features, strengths, weaknesses. HomeBank is a free, open-source personal finance management tool designed for individuals seeking a no-frills, offline solution. Key features include transaction management, categorization, budgeting, and reporting. Transaction management allows importing from OFX, QIF, CSV, and other formats, enabling you to consolidate data from various bank accounts and credit cards. Categories are hierarchical, providing granular control over expense tracking and analysis. Budgeting is straightforward, allowing you to set spending limits for each category and monitor progress. Reporting features generate charts and graphs visualizing your income, expenses, and net worth over time, including pie charts, bar graphs, and trend lines. HomeBank is ideal for users prioritizing privacy and data control, those with limited technical expertise, and individuals needing basic budgeting and reporting features without cloud connectivity or subscription fees. Its strengths include being completely free and open source, ensuring no hidden costs or vendor lock-in. Offline functionality protects your financial data from potential online breaches. The intuitive interface is relatively easy to navigate, even for beginners. Customization is possible through various settings and preference options. However, HomeBank has weaknesses. Its interface is dated compared to modern web-based applications. The mobile app availability is limited, hindering on-the-go access to your financial data. More advanced features, like investment tracking or detailed financial planning, are absent. It also lacks multi-user support and collaboration features. The reporting capabilities, while functional, are less visually appealing and interactive than those of commercial software. The lack of automatic transaction downloads is a drawback for some users. As a final thought, HomeBank remains a viable option for budget-conscious individuals needing a secure and simple desktop-based personal finance tool. While it may not offer the bells and whistles of premium software, its offline nature, cost-free accessibility, and core functionalities make it a valuable asset for basic financial tracking. If you need advanced features, integration with investment accounts, or cloud synchronization, consider exploring alternative solutions. But for fundamental budgeting and expense management, HomeBank provides a solid foundation. Just remember to regularly back up your data file to prevent potential loss.